Pythium is one of the most common causes of root rot in hydroponics. Pythium is a fairly common problem, but you can prevent its growth and survival. Most Pythium species responsible for root rot are very active at temperatures between 20 and 30 centigrade, so try to keep your solution cool. 18 to 21 degrees centigrade is a very good target. If using a recirculating system, change your tank at least once a week. Doing this decreases the chance of Pythium taking hold of your roots. Keep clean and tidy. Move all dead and decaying plant material far away from your growing area. Sterilize or at least clean equipment between each crop. That includes your growing system, scalpels, pH meters, or anything you use for mixing your nutrient solution. Silver bullet mist is a safe and effective sterilizing agent. Maintain a good growing environment. Stressed plants are more prone to disease than healthy plants, and so to prevent root rot, you want to closely control your grow room temperature and humidity. Aim to get your climate as close to perfect as possible. Use beneficial biological products. They're easy to apply and are effective. EcoThrive Biosis, EcoThrive Charge, Great White Mycorrhizae, Extreme Gardening Mycos, Guard and Aid Healthy Root, and Mammoth P all help prevent Pythium. Use enzymes like Canazyme or Hygrozyme. They break down the dead root mass that normally Pythium feeds on. For more information, visit the expert advice area on our website, growwell.co.uk.